everyone, this is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be showcasing the Tronsmart trim battery. This is USB Type-C portable power bank. It offers power delivery 3.0 and Tronsmart's Volt IQ technology. It's 10,000 mAh. I like how thin this battery is. So here's the battery. They call it trim for a reason. It's pretty trim. Lights on the side. It comes almost fully charged. Here's your normal USB Type-A port. Here's your USB Type-C in and out port, so you can charge this with USB Type-C. And micro USB as well. So you get 3 different ports. You can charge it with micro USB or USB Type-C, and you can charge your devices with Type-A and the USB Type-C. So that's the battery, and it's metal all the way around here. I like the button that shows the charge level. There's the LEDs, it goes up to 4, so that's the battery. And then further inside the box, they have a lanyard you can use, which might also double as a cable. Yep, there's your micro USB and your USB Type-A cable to charge the device, and they stick together with magnets, and then this goes over the top and clicks together, so that's nice. And then there's some documentation and warranty information here, and some other information on how to use the battery. But it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. I like the design. It feels solid, nice and cool. It can dissipate heat quickly because of the metal around the sides. This is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter, showcasing the new Tronsmart trim, USB Type-C, power delivery enabled 10,000 mAh battery. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.